back on the Jason Zeb YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of dairy farming. One of my good friends, Blake, lives right down the road from me, and it's just him at the farm today, and he asked me if I could come help him. So you can see I got the cows out here, but he asked if I could come help him today, and I said yep, that's no big deal. So what we're going to start with is getting the parlor cleaned up. They just got done milking, so let's get after it.
54 1/4.
You're on cam. All right, so I guess we're gonna start with scraping this and getting it all cleaned up. Let's start there. Wow, that stuff's frozen. What is it, like 10 degrees out right now?
5.
Yeah, cold. Feels a lot better in here, at least. Usually we'd scrape this whole alley out, but it's obviously all frozen. There he goes. Now he's closed the curtain so all the heat stays in here, and we're gonna wash this whole thing down and it'll look good as new. So let's get after it.
Time to go to school.
I'm gonna put that in there.
All right.
See ya. Makes the neighbor come and so he makes the neighbor come and help. That's me. I just live right down there. Oh, you do? Yeah. Alrighty, now we're gonna scrape out this holding pen. This is where all the cows, dairy cows, come into Then this gate actually comes forward, and you know, we open it up like that, and the cows will come in over there. The gate will be all the way down there, and then this pushes them forward into the parlor so they can get milked. But now we got to clean this out with a skid loader because it's like 10 degrees out right now, and all this is frozen, and we can't use the scraper. So let's do that now. So you guys, you can see how frozen this is. We're not going to be able to get it that great, but we'll be able to get some of the fresh manure out. See, this is the normal scraping tractor. As you can tell, it's covered in manure, but this is just a big half tire off a wheel loader, and it just acts like a squeegee and pulls all the manure out. She's cold. Honestly, I'm just gonna set it all right here because they're all freaking out. I don't want them to slip and fall and hurt a hip or something on the ice. I'm just gonna put it all over there, especially since they're all out of my way now. got the lot clean. Let's go park the skid loader and see what Blake has for us to do next. I should probably get out and open this gate, but I'm gonna do it the lazy way. Everybody, now that we got the holding pin clean, let's run the crowd gate back and close everything up, and we'll be ready to go for the next milking. Take this gate, open it up. Don't you have something to go chase? Huh? Don't you have something to go chase? Mr. Lucky loves this weather. Huh? This is the herd manager here. Huh? Aren't you? Aren't you the herd manager? Go find something to do. Hey. Hey. Hey, that's my glove. That's my glove. Glove thief. Huh? Come here, look. Good boy. Good boy. Are you trying to take it again? No, that's my glove, Luck. Go find something to do. He's trying to bite my glove off my hand. You coming? Okay. Good boy. Guys, it is actually so cold out right now. You're live right now on camera. Say hello to YouTube. Tell them all what you got coming out of here.
Corn silage coming out of the mixer. That's the bulk of their diet. And that one there is wheatledge. Just normal wheat, just cut about a month early. We got alfalfa coming out of that one.
Yep.
And then just straight corn coming out of the last thing.
Right. What's this right here?
That's bypass fat.
What's that for?
Gives them an energy boost.
Gotcha.
Feed that to only the early lactation group.
Gotcha. Pretty slick the way they got it set up here. Don't have to mix anything. It's just kind of a assembly line here. You can see here's the finished product. Right out there to the cows. Now he's swapping the bucket out for the hay fork, bale fork. Blake's grabbing a bale, put it in for the high group. Here's the calves. So guys, there's the farm manager laying right in the way. Come on, Luck. Get in. Luck. Other side. Oh, big stretch. Come on. Get in. Eh, he says I'm driving. Scooch over. There you go. Sit down, bud. Comfy in here? Huh. My name's Lucky, and I like to go on rides. All right, everybody, thanks for watching today's video. It was cold, but we got what we needed done with the morning chores. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.